i35equipment.com. This is the XCMG XE210CU hydraulic track excavator. This is unit number 0024. It's a Cummins diesel powered and Kawasaki hydraulics excavator. Has lots of good power, operates quick for a machine this size, sounds to be running good. However, we welcome you and your mechanic and operator to come look it over for yourselves, or you can hire someone else to come to you if you like. It is shown by appointment only, and we are open by appointment only, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. And as always, delivery to your farm or job site is available. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with you at the best rate that comes back to us, or you can arrange for your own hauling if you like, or come pick it up for yourself. This machine does have that solid hydraulic thumb on it, real heavy duty. It'd be great for pulling trees or picking scrap, grabbing some boulders. Does have two front working work lights, cold working air conditioning, lots of power as you can see there. Also has a rear view camera and switchable control pattern, so no matter who's in the operator seat, they'll feel comfortable and at home with those controls. Our specialty here is consignment equipment, so if you or someone you know has heavy equipment that's just sitting around, we can help you get that equipment sold. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready to work equipment. Learn more about our consignment sales service on our website or give us a call. Again, our number here is 405-833-6437. We'll check out this thumb and the motor and undercarriage, and we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around. The bucket does have 5 teeth on it. There's your 2 working work lights. Storage underneath the step here. Nice hand and safety rail here on the side. Kawasaki pump down there. Clean air pre-filter. ahead and zoom out to the fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior. Does have that factory XCMG seat in it. You can already feel that cold working air conditioning. All right, close this door and take a look around. The radio is lit up, but I'm not hearing any sound. I'm feeling that cold working air conditioning though. Horn, auxiliary hydraulic buttons. That's how you change travel speed, work modes, rear camera view on the monitor. Check for codes. No codes, no issues. Quick attach buttons as well as windshield wiper, throttle, headlights. Do appreciate you taking time to watch this video and hope it was beneficial to you. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Hope you have a wonderful day.